Sup everybody, today I'm gonna show you 4 little tricks to make your titles look amazing. This first effect is to play a video in your titles while having a black background. So to create this effect, first you drag the clip that you want, place it on the timeline and go to titles, basic title, and drag it down. So basically we can edit the title. For this case I'm gonna just use LC Media, and change the font. I'm just gonna change to a rounder, bigger font, and change the size. And you can adjust the y-axis on the scales column to make it bigger, and x-axis to make it wider. Make sure that 2 yellow lines are perpendicular to each other. And we go to this movie like button, the video inspector. Go to compositing, blend mode, stencil alpha. Bam! And your background is black. Let's see the effect. Okay. See, the video is playing in the middle while the background is black in color. And if you want to adjust the video that's playing, go to the video, click the video that you place in the timeline, rescale it to make it bigger, and adjust the position like this. I want the coral reef to be showing more, so I just adjust the position. Okay, that's the first part of our tutorial. Second part is to have the video playing in the middle in the text and having the background playing another video. So basically, background is video A, subtitles is video B. So go to the media pool, and as you can see that once you put on the timeline, the video on the background isn't showing. So how do we adjust this? So basically select the titles and the upper video and right click and go to make a new compound clip. Voila, you can see the background. Let's see the effect. Cool. So instantly you have 2 videos playing simultaneously, and you can still see the subtitle LC Media. So some of you might be wondering, how do I create the glitching, flickering effect in the opening of this tutorial? Drag the video onto the timeline and drag the compound clip. So basically the clip that we created is called this untitled project clip. Drag it onto the timeline, place it wherever you want, and you can shorten it. Go to the starting of this video, press right arrow key and cut the frame out, and you copy and paste this frame a couple of times. So if you can see, I'm gonna just press V and unuse 2 frames out of this all the copy pasted frames. Go to the back of the clip and paste it. Something like this, and you can see the end result will be amazing. Let's try it. So the last part of our tutorial today is to show you guys how to make your new subtitles move from right of your screen to the left of your screen. So similarly, you drag the subtitles compound clip on your timeline just above the clip that you want, and go to this squarish button, press it, and you see this thing coming out, and you readjust the size to 12.5% and click this keyframe thing. Remember to make sure your subtitles stay on this yellow line, and go to the end of the clip and drag this. Remember to stay on the yellow line like this. Remember to go back to fit and show you guys the results. Okay, that's the end of our tutorial today. Hope you guys like my video. If you do like this video, please check out my channel, subscribe, and watch all of my videos if you want. and like and comment, and yeah, if you have any questions, please drop a message. See you guys next time. Bye bye.